Good morning, students. So in previous class we have completed the regression equations. So now one more problems are discussed in the today class. So regression equations, how many problems are completed now? So 11 or 12 problems are completed. So now today the values are given. Right. 14th one. The 14th sum or 15th or 12th, 13th. Okay. 11th are completed, girls. Okay. Now today 12th. 12th are completed. Okay. Next, 13th one. The two variables are given from the following data: x and y, and x bar and y bar ఇచ్చాడు, variables, two variables ఇచ్చాడు. Obtain the regression equation from the following: x is equal to 24, then y is equal to what? Y value calculation చేయాలి. Okay. So here x and y values ఇచ్చాడు, theta x, theta value ఇచ్చాడు, r value ఇచ్చాడు. Okay. You can calculate the regression equations, both two regression equations. One x value, y bar value. X bar value here 20, y bar value 15, theta x and theta y and r value, right? Theta x 4, theta y 5, theta y 3, r is equal to plus or minus 0.7. Okay. If the x value ఇచ్చాడు ఇక్కడ, so x value 24, to substitute the y and x regression equations, right? So here first regression equation, x minus x bar is equal to r theta x by theta pi into y minus y bar, right? So this is a, what is this? Regression equation of x on y. X minus x bar is equal to r into standard deviation of x by standard deviation of y into y minus y bar. So already the x bar value, y bar value, x value, y value and r values are given. All the values are calculated to implement in this formula. Okay, the values are implemented in these values. So here x minus x bar what? 20. You can write 0.7 into sigma x 4 by 3 into y minus y bar, right? So here x minus 20 you can write as is equal 0.7 into 4 by 3. 4 by 3 means 1.3 into y minus 50, right? So 0.7 into 1.3, 0.91 into y minus 50, x minus 20 same as this, x minus 20 is equal to 0.9y minus into plus minus 0.9y 91y into 15 is equal to 13.05. Right? So here therefore x is equal to 0.91y minus 13.05 plus 20. Here x is equal to 0.91y plus into minus plus. So here positive negative low లో ఉంది పాజిటివ్ హై లో ఉంది కాబట్టి 6.07 6.35 positive. This is x and y regression equations. Here R value are given, standard deviation of x values are given, standard deviation of y values are already given. So total values are implemented in this formula to x values to y values are to find out. Right? Next regression equations. Number 2, regression equation. Y on x, y minus y bar or standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x is equal to into x minus x bar. So already you have given all the values to apply in this form, right? Y minus y bar means 15, 0.7 into 3 by 4, x minus 20, right? So here y minus 15, 0.7 into 0.75, x minus 20, right? Y minus 15, 0.75 into 0.77, okay, 0.525 into x minus 20, right? So here y minus 15 again 0.525 into x, 0.525x plus into minus 20 into 0.525 is equal to 10.5. Okay, therefore y is equal to 0.525x minus 10.5 plus 15. So y is equal to 0.525x plus 4.5 plus 15 minus 10.5 means 4.5 is a y on x regression equation. This is a y on x regression. This is x on regression. Next point ఏంటి మనకి ఇక్కడ x value. If the x is equal to 24, then y is equal to what? So here two regression equations in the x and y regression equations to calculate the x value, in the y on x regression equations to calculate the y value, right? So x value ni y on x regression equation lo substitute చేస్తే మనకు y value calculate అవుతుంది, and x on y regression equation లో y value ని substitute చేస్తే మనకు x value total x value అనేది find out చేయొచ్చు. Okay, listen carefully guys. Here x value ని y on x regression equation లో substitute చేయాలి. y value ఇస్తే x value find out చేయాలంటే మనం x on y regression equation లో y value ని substitute చేస్తే x value find out అవుతుంది. ఆల్రెడీ మనకు x value ని ఇచ్చాడు, then y value find out చేయాలంటే y is equal to 0.525x plus 4.5 అనేది మనకి ఇక్కడ ఈక్వేషన్. ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ ని మనం తీసుకొని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి x value. So y on x, y is equal to 0.525x plus 4.5. దీంట్లో మనకి ఈ x value ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. Substitution of the x value in the equation number 1. Okay, y is equal to 0.525. x అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం x is equal to ఎంత తీసుకోవాలి 24 plus 4.5. Okay, next y is equal to multiply the x values of 0.25 ని multiply చేస్తే మనకు 12.68 plus 4.5. So therefore y is equal to total value ni we can add. So here the y value is 17.1. 17.1 is the y value. This is the calculation of substitution of x value in the y on x regression equations, right? So this is the process of y on x regression equation. Okay, this is a given values to calculate the x on y regression equations. The next to y on x regression equation. Then after the x values are find out, the y values x value are given to calculate the y value. Then y value are given to calculate the x value. To find out the equation number 2 లో మనము y value substitute చేయాలి. Equation number 1 లో y value substitution ఉంటుంది. Equation number 2 లో x value substitution తీసుకోవాలి. This is the regression equations 12th problem. 13th sum. Sorry. Next one 14th one. రిమైనింగ్ మీరు చేయాలి. మీరు ఏం చేయట్లేదు, నాకేం చూపెట్టట్లేదు వాట్సాప్. ఓకే, ఎనీ రెస్పాన్స్ లేదు క్లాస్ నుంచి. డౌట్స్ నో డౌట్స్ అనేది ఏం చెప్పట్లేదు. ఏంటి సంగతి? సో ఎవ్రీడే నోట్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. మీకు ఇంటర్నల్ మార్క్స్ కావాలంటే నేను నోట్స్ చెక్ చేసిన తర్వాతనే ఇంటర్నల్ మార్క్స్ ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఇదంతా ఏదో చెప్పేస్తే ఎక్కడో వదిలేసినట్టు ఉన్నది కదా. ఓకే, ప్రాపర్ నోట్స్ బిఎస్ఎస్కి ప్రాపర్ నోట్స్ ఉండాలి విత్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్తో సహా. ఎవ్రీడే హోంవర్క్ కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. టాపిక్ అయిపోగానే దానికి సంబంధించినటువంటి రిలేటెడ్ టాపిక్స్, రిలేటెడ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వీ కెన్ డూ హోంవర్క్ ఎవ్రీడే. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ అట్లీస్ట్ ఒక చాప్టర్లో ఒక 10 or 15 సమ్స్ నేను చెప్పేస్తాను. రిమైనింగ్ అన్ని కూడా మీరే హోంవర్క్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ద కోరిలేషన్ ఆఫ్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ బిట్వీన్ ద వేరియబుల్స్ x and y is equal to 0.6. ఓకే, కోరిలేషన్ ఆఫ్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ మీన్స్ r value 0.6. నెక్స్ట్ ఇఫ్ ద standard deviation of x is equal to 1.5, standard deviation of y is equal to 2, and x bar 10, y bar 20. You are calculated y on x and x on y regression equations lines. Okay, if the x, okay, two lines regression equation calculation. ఇక్కడ x values and y values are ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమనంటే. ఓకే, చేద్దాం. x minus x bar ఫస్ట్ రిగ్రెషన్ ఈక్వేషన్ కంపల్సరీ మీరు ఇట్లా రాయాలి ఎగ్జామ్లో. రిగ్రెషన్ ఈక్వేషన్ x on y, x minus x bar r standard deviation of x by standard deviation of y into y minus y bar, right? So here x minus x bar 10, r means 0.6, standard deviation of x 1.5 by 2 into y minus 20, right? X minus 10, you can say 0.6 into 2 by 1.5. So 2 by 1.5 means 0.75 into y minus 20. Okay, so x minus 10 is equal to 0.6 into 0.75. So here the calculation is 0.45. 0.45. Okay. Multiply this. Okay. Next y minus 20. X minus 10 is equal to 0.45 into y, 45y plus into minus 20 into 0.45 is equal to 9. Okay. Therefore, x is equal to 0.45y minus 9 plus 10 is equal to x is equal to 0.45y plus 1. This is our equation. Minus 9 plus 10 is equal to 1. 1 is the equation. This is the equation number 2. Next, y on x regression equation number 2. Regression equation y on x. Compulsory, line compulsory can wrote, and after you write formula, then after we can choose the formulas of the values, right? Y minus y bar, or standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x, x minus x bar. Okay, y minus 20. Next, r means 0.6 into 2 by 1.5 x minus 10, right? These are the substitution of the values. So same as it is y minus 20, same 0.6 into 2 by 1.5. 2 by 1.5 value 1.33. 1.33 is the value into x minus 10. Okay, y is equal to y minus 10t, same as t, 0.6 into 1.33 is equal to 0.798 into x minus 10. So y is equal to 20 is equal to 0.798x into x means something x minus plus into minus 7.98. Okay, this is the calculation. Next, therefore y is equal to 0.79x minus 7.98 plus 20. Therefore y is equal to 0.798x minus into plus minus. Okay, ఇక్కడ మనకి ప్లస్ ఎక్కువగా ఉంది, మైనస్ లోలో ఉంది కాబట్టి రిమైనింగ్ అనేది పాజిటివ్ లో ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనకి రిమైనింగ్ ఐటమ్ ఈస్ 12.02. This is the equation of 13 sum. It is x on y. This is y on x calculation. Next, one more problem we can do. 14 sum. This is 14. Next, next 15th one. 15th one లో మనకి మీడియన్ వాల్యూ మీన్స్ 1090 అనేది So you are given the following information about the advertisement expenditure is 15 lakhs. What should be the advertisement expenditure if the company want to attain a single target of 120? Find out the like sales when the advertisement expenditure is 15 lakhs. That is the X value. If the X value is 15 lakhs, then what is the Y value? If the Y value is the target of the advertisement expenditure, the company wants to attain the sales of target is 120 is the Y value. Okay? To calculate the X value. So here main value means X bar ni main anta manaku telusu, then X bar 1, next Y bar is equal to 90. Okay, standard deviation ఇచ్చాడు, standard deviation 10 ఇచ్చాడు. standard deviation 10 ఇస్తే మనము Y వాల్యూ తీసుకోవాలంటే ఇది రాంగ్ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లము ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంటుందా వాల్యూ, వేరే లూప్లో నుంచి క్యారెక్ట్ చేశాను, మిస్టేక్ ఫిగర్ మిస్టేక్ అయింది, లేకుంటే ఆన్సర్స్ వేరే వస్తాయి, వేరే వాల్యూస్. ఇది ఈటా ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ, ఈటా వై వాల్యూ 12. ఓకే, ద పేజ్ నెంబర్ 812 ఇన్ బిజినెస్ స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ 4th సెమిస్టర్. సో దీంట్లో 15th సమ్ ఇది రాంగ్ మిస్టేక్ పడింది. స్టాండర్డ్ డీవియేషన్ అనేది ఇక్కడ మనకి 312 ఉంటుంది. 15th sum. Okay, we can change the values. Calculation the regression lines. 2 regression lines calculation చేయాలి. If the x value is 15, then y value what? If the y value is 120, then x value is what? Okay, both are calculated in these values. So r value ఇవ్వలేదు మనకి, 0.8. Then r is equal to 0.8 ఇచ్చాడు. equation x on y, x minus x bar, r standard deviation of x by standard deviation of y into y minus y bar. So here x minus x bar means what? 10. R means 0.8 into standard deviation of y, x into y, p by 12, y minus y bar means 90. Okay, so x minus 10 is equal to 0.8 into 3 ones are 3 fours are 1 by 4 means what? Here 0.25. Y minus 90. X minus 10 is equal to 0.8 into 2.5. Here 2. 0.2 into y minus 90. X minus 10 is equal to 0.9 into y, 0.9y, 90 into the 1.8, 80. Therefore, x is equal to 0.2 y minus 18 plus 10. X is equal to 0.2 y minus 8. This is the regression equation of answers will be wrong. Right. Next one. Second one, y on x regression equation. Y minus y bar, r standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x into x minus x bar. Right. So here y minus 90 0.8 into 12 by 3 x minus 10. Okay, y minus 90, 0.8 into 3 ones are 3 fours are 4 x minus 10. Okay, y minus 90, 0.8 into 4 3.2. Okay, 3.2 x minus 10. So y is equal to y minus 90 here. 3.2 into x, 3.2x minus 3.2 into 10, 32. So therefore y is equal to 3.2x minus 32 plus 90. So here y is equal to 3.2x plus 32, 90 minus 32, 40 plus 58. 10. Okay, this is a y-axis regression equation. Next point, C. B. A లో 1, 2. Below x is equal to what value? X is equal to 15 lakhs. అయితే y is equal to what? X value 15, then y is equal to what? So x value substitution in y on x. So y on x is equal to 3.2x plus 58. So here 3.2x into 15 plus 58. So here 3.2 into 15, 48. 48 plus 58 is equal to 90 plus 106. This is a y value, right? If the x is equal to, if the y is equal to D, C, 120, then y is equal to what? X is equal to what? Right? If the y is equal to what? X is equal to x on y regression 0.2y minus 8. So here the y value, substitute the values 0.2 into 120 minus 8. 120 into 40 means 24 minus 8. 24 minus 8 and 60. Okay, this is the x. This is the implementation of x value. This is the implementation of y value. So these are the regression. In examination point of view, this type of problems are given. Okay, so this is the given items x bar and y value. So this is a 15th sum. జస్ట్ మిస్టేక్ ఉంది దీంట్లో. మనకి స్టాండర్డ్ డీవియేషన్ వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఇక్కడ స్టాండర్డ్ డీవియేషన్ ఆఫ్ వాల్యూస్ x వాల్యూ 10 అని y వాల్యూ 12 అని ఇచ్చాను. దట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్. ద మిస్టేక్ ఉంది. సో ఇక్కడ సెర్చ్ చేసుకోండి. ద స్టాండర్డ్ డీవియేషన్ వాల్యూస్ x సిగ్మా x is equal to 3, సిగ్మా y is equal to 2. సో ఇది తెలుగు అకాడమీ బుక్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. సో హియర్ రిగ్రెషన్ ఈక్వేషన్ x minus x bar is equal to r standard deviation of y x and standard deviation of y into y minus y bar. This is a process of the x regression equation. The regression equations x is equal to 0.2y minus 8. Okay, this is a regression equation number 1, and the regression equation number 2 y on x regression equation. So next, to implementation of the value of x value to implement the y on x regression equation, and the y value to implement the x on y regression equation. This is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 2. Number 2 లో x value substitute చేయాలి. Number 1 లో y value substitute చేస్తే మనకు total figure values వస్తాయి. This is the process of regression equations. Okay. So next remaining sums are doing homework girls. So last 1-2 days లో మనకి ఈ చాప్టర్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇంకొక 2-3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చెప్పేసి సరిపోతుంది. ఓకే.